Maybe she's born with it. Maybe it's Stritz's. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we are doing a deep dive into Allie's weird makeup adventures. So in a few days, we will be celebrating Passover. And with this in mind, several months ago, there was this trend online of using random objects to blend your makeup. So I decided that today, I will use a matzo ball to blend my makeup. Now I know that this is not exactly the most topical video because that trend of using weird things to blend your makeup was like popular in like 2017. It's now 2018. I get it. I'm not the world's best YouTuber. I know. But I thought of this last year after Passover and I was like, I don't think anyone's ever used a matzo ball to blend their makeup. So how about I do that? So that's what we're doing today. Yesterday I went ahead and made some matzo balls. I'd never actually made matzo balls before in my life. I've eaten them, never made them. I used this Strites matzo meal, unsalted. A taste of memory. I never used this before. This is obviously not sponsored, but if you want to sponsor next year's Unleavened Makeup Adventure, let me know. So I ended up making a few of them because I wanted to make sure that I had a few extra just in case if some of them broke up or disintegrated. I was thinking of making some that were like kind of like tapered like an actual beauty blender, but then I thought maybe the tapered part would like break up more. So I just ended up making like just a classic ball like lump thing. But these guys are growers because like they doubled and tripled in size. So like they're like massive. Let me just show you what I made. I also have a lot of paper towel. So it actually feels quite damp, which I think will be good because whenever I use a beauty blender, I always, you know, soak it up a lot of water. So yeah, this is my matzo ball. It's kind of flattened a bit. And yeah, I boiled this for like a half hour more because I was like, I want this to be solid. But it feels very, very spongy. I apologize if my nail polish is chipped. Ooh, okay, I should stop doing that. Okay, I feel like we should just jump into the foundation. I'm scared. You know that meme, like, I immediately regret my decision? This is that moment. I'm gonna go ahead and use the Dior Forever Undercover, a full coverage foundation, because if I'm using a matzo ball to blend my makeup, well, I might as well just use a very bougie foundation. So I went ahead and did my eye makeup and primed my face. I don't know why I bothered priming, I don't know. So before we jump right into the actual makeup part, make sure to like and subscribe and hit that little notification bell so you can know when I post a new video, and that way you can be notified whenever I make quality content like this. So I'm just gonna shake up my expensive foundation. It was a gift, but still. I wanna like put it on the matzo ball, but I also don't wanna like touch the actual makeup because I don't want like parts of the matzo ball to like get sucked into my foundation bottle. Oh my god, I can't believe I'm actually doing this. Ew, okay. Here we go. Oh my god, this feels so cold. Wow. Can you guys hear that? I probably should not have picked this foundation because it dries super fast. Oh my god, this is so gross. Wow, it feels like super cold and like hard. And the sound is so off-putting. You know, as I'm using a matzo ball to blend my makeup, I would like to take this time to point out that when I graduated university, I had a 3.87 GPA. And now I'm doing this. Follow your dreams, kids. I've like dented the matzo ball. It's like flattened even more. Can you see that? This is not working well. I mean, I don't think anyone really expected this to work well. Oh. We all know what that sounds like. Okay, yeah, it's breaking up a little bit. That's what I expected. That's why we have two more. There's like matzo ball particles on my face. Okay, I'm gonna switch sides to maybe just like, stupid. Why am I doing this? This is so dumb. Oh my god. Okay, yeah, I am losing matzo ball. Okay, I'm gonna pick this off. That's not cheating. I feel like this side, I mean, it's not like blended perfectly, but like, she could pass. Also, I don't know why, but I have this like breakout on my neck here. It's like really red and like really annoying. I'm like, you are not kosher for Passover, so you better skedaddle by Friday. This was a really bad idea. Whenever I see those videos of people using like a shoe, their boyfriend's testicle, or like whatever on hand to blend their makeup. I'm always like, that's really stupid. And I remember thinking like, I can be stupid too. There's just like a lot of matzo ball on my face. But honestly, it's holding up a little bit better than I thought. Maybe I should have made little ones for like concealer. I think the mailman's here. Okay, he's gone. And yes, there's a little bit of decorations behind me. I decided to just add some pizzazz to the background. Let me know what you guys think. I'm not exactly sure if this will stay like this forever. So beforehand, I filmed my videos in our bedroom and I used my dresser as the backdrop. My dresser has like perfume and nail polish, and so I decided to just like bring a little bit of that back. But I like the fairy lights too, the little lights. So anyway, I just think that, oh my god, the matzo ball is shedding on my face. As I was saying, my finger is like, there's like a finger holder for like foundation. Oh no, no, it's ruined. I'm just gonna take this off. Yuck. As I was saying, the display behind me might change up a bit. I'm not exactly sure what I want to do, but I just thought I would just decorate some. Oh my god, this is so gross. I don't think this is gonna get better. I'm like, should I just continue with the whole face? Might as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and put on some concealer now, I guess. This is the NARS Creamy Radiant Concealer. It's my favorite concealer ever. Maybe I should have tried to make a pointy one for the concealer. This sucks. It's not any worse than I thought it would be. This is basically exactly what I thought. Maybe I can break it in half. Okay. Welcome to the worst ASMR video on YouTube.
2 hours later.
If any of you are new to my channel, this by no means is an indication of my blending skills. I'd like to think so anyway. I wonder like what my Acadian ancestors thought when they arrived in Canada. Like I wonder if they thought, you know, I wonder what the future generations will be like. You know, if they could see into the future and saw me doing this now. Heyo! Would they just be like, you know what, just let the British kill us, it's fine. We'll go into that church and just be burned alive, it's fine. I think this is the best I can do for the concealer. I happen to have a cream contour. This is the Clinique Chubby Stick Sculpting Contour. I'm gonna go ahead and use this. Go big or go home, right? I'm gonna go ahead and use my third matzo ball. Well, I think that's as good as it's gonna get there. I feel so fresh right now. I'm gonna go ahead and use my Chanel blush number 20. I'm gonna apply it directly to my cheeks and blend it out. She is beauty, she is grace. And then to finish it off with a highlight, because this is a full face of makeup, come on guys. I'm using the Benefit WhatsApp Cream Highlight. It's just, oh, let's go big. I don't know why, but my highlight is not blending as well as it usually does. Better call to complain. All right guys, there you guys go. That is me doing a full face of makeup with a matzo ball as a beauty blender. I would absolutely not recommend this to anyone. Matzo balls are meant to be eaten in the soup, not smushed all over your face. I feel so gross. It feels like wet still and cold, but also like dry. I don't know if the matzo ball just like sucked moisture out of my face at the same time. Thank you guys so much for stopping by. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Make sure to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell, or don't. So I think this is all I got. I'm gonna go wash my face with a pressure hose. Maybe I can stop by like the fire station and ask them if they can just like use that like hose to like get this off my face. it seemed like a good idea at the time. It seemed cute. So thank you guys for stopping by. I hope you guys are having a good day, a good Friday. Chag Sameach if you're celebrating Passover. If not, well, have a good weekend. Bye.